some men, even if you don't tell them what to do, they already know what to do. They are always proper, they are always clean, they are always looking good, they are always looking like a but some if you know your partner is some but if you know your partner is you are good, then don't watch my video. But if you know your partner watch my video and then help him out. Don't mind me, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mariam, your girl, with another skincare video. Guys, I am back here like I never left. I am just here to do a 3 minutes video or 5 minutes maximum. The video is meant for the men, but I'm talking to the ladies on behalf of their men. So whatever I'm gonna say here, apply it to your man. Guys, let us not look at our partner to be looking so rough, so haggard. We need to take care of them. We need to help them to know that they should be applying lotion. Can you imagine when you see a guy or a man, a grown-up man, and he's looking somehow? After all the money he have, his leg is looking like somebody going to the post. His face is rough. Do you feel happy as someone who is married to that man? I think the duty is our own. We are the ones to take the responsibility of taking good care of our man. So get away wherever you are sitting, either you are in the parlor or in the room or in the restroom. Come out and watch my video and then apply whatever I'm saying here, okay? Take care of your man. Whenever they take their shower, help them to apply their lotion. If you cannot help them to apply their lotion, tell them, babe, this is the lotion you should be applying. Even if they don't buy lotion, go and buy it and bring it for them, and tell them that when they take their bath, they should be applying lotion or cream, whatever you can call it. And they should apply lip balm, not the lip sign, but the lip balm. It moisturizes their lips. Or let them even use Vaseline if they feel comfortable about using Vaseline. I remember I have somebody who normally apply lip balm on his lips, and people will be calling him, you behave like a woman, why do you always apply lip balm on your lips? It's not your business. And I'm telling you that it's very important for our men to look good as well. Whenever you're looking good and your husband is looking different, who are they going to blame? It is not you. They will blame you because you are not really a helping matter. If they look at you and they see that from head to toe everything is intact and your husband is looking so dirty or so unkept, will you feel happy when somebody say that to you? You wouldn't feel happy. So why not you take care of him? Even if you cannot apply the lotion for him, tell him that when he takes his bed in the morning before going to work, let him apply the lotion. When he comes back in the evening and he takes his bed, let him apply lotion so that his body can be moisturized, his body will not be dry. But you will see some ladies, they will be looking so beautiful. They will even be applying some brightening skin creams and they'll be looking so yummy. But if you look at their partner, you'll be asking yourself, is this so person's husband? Is this so person's boyfriend? Oh no. Come off it. Come off it. Take care of them. Take good care of them. Their legs, when they are really getting dry and then you don't really understand the smoothness of the leg, take the man to the pedicure spa. Or you do the pedicure by yourself. You can learn how to do pedicure. There is nothing that you cannot learn in this world. Whatever you focus on, whatever you put in your mind that you want to learn it, your mindset will always help you to learn. So try and learn how to do pedicure and do pedicure for your partner. Or let them be going to the spa and they do their pedicure, or salons do their pedicures and manicure. Doesn't mean that they are guys so they cannot do anything. Oh no, come off it. I know some ladies, they are very neat, so much that they can never look good and their man is looking different. Even some ladies, when they are about to date a man, they will look at you from head to toe to see whether you are looking good or not. And looking good, what contributes most is your skin and then your lips. Some ladies, when you are trying to check them out, they will look at you and weigh you and know whether you are neat or not. Some of the guys, their nails are always long and they are not clean because you don't help them to cut their nails. Help them to cut their nails. Help them to cut their nails, because I can remember that men are always going to be men. We ladies, we are always going to be ladies. We are the ones who are into fashion, but them, they are not fashionistas. Some I'm not saying that all are like that, but some men, even if you don't tell them what to do, they already know what to do. They are always proper, they are always clean, they are always looking good, they are always looking like a but some if you know your partner is some but if you know your partner is you are good, then don't watch my video. But if you know your partner watch my video and then help him out. Don't mind me, okay? So as I was saying earlier, just try to do your best. Take good care of your partner. Let nobody insult you because of your partner. Let nobody underrate you because of your partner. Let nobody feel like you are selfish because you are not taking care of your man. Because some men, they don't know much. You are the one to complete them. Why are you there? Every successful man, there is a strong woman behind it. So are you not the strong woman? You are. You are an African diva, so try to help your partner. And this is the end of the video, and I hope that you guys will appreciate this video. And if you do so, subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell. Whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. And then give me a thumbs up if you really love the video. Give me a thumbs up. And then I love you guys, and see you guys in another video on my way. Oh, see you guys, and shout out to all my aunts out there. I love you all. Bye.